Play with your brother. Whoa. Can you sit up? You sit up, up. Can you sit up? He's trying to talk to you. Say hi. Say hi. Give him a kiss. He's your brother. Whoa. He needs help. Let's help him. You need help up? Okay. Help me up, Mommy. I want to play with my brother. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. You want to do it again? Okay, come on. Up, up. You gonna tickle him? Again? You want to tickle, tickle?